Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I will be watching out for it and will be able to answer it. And also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be giving us an update, especially if you take a look at this movement where we predicted that WTI would be dropping. As you can see, it is currently dropping. So we will still give you guys more updates, especially if you trade WTI. You need to follow the Telegram channel and you will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting this week. But before that, let's see what this market is currently doing so we would understand the movement on WTI crude oil. So this is the monthly time frame. That is the full view of what this market is currently doing. But before that, before we look at what this trend is, let us look at the previous trend. This was the year 2020, right? We all know what markets did. The reason for this, was Corona period. That was the shutdown, the Corona period. The price of natural gas, the price of crude oil, started going higher and higher, right? Then eventually, things eventually eased out and it started, dropping. So ever since then, we have now been on a downtrend. So basically, our trend on the monthly aspects of this WTI crude oil is on a downtrend. So this is something like, let's start from here for quick access. Lower low, our lower high, lower low here, lower high. I want you guys to see something so you understand this movement, right? So markets drop a bit, pull back, then give us lower low, right? It give us a lower low. Then what markets did again on this monthly time frame is this pullback, and guess what we'll be expecting is another lower low. So basically, in 3, 4, or 5 months, this is for position traders and long-term traders, right? In 3, 4, 5 months time, we should see WTI trading at around 55, 56, or $55, or even lower. There's possibility to be trading lower. So long term, probably 3 months time or 4 months period, we should sit at a level of 55 or even less. It depends on the volatility, the movement, and the news that will happen. So basically, what you'll be expecting on WTI crude oil is a downward movement, a drop to the downside. Now, that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. So we would also want to understand the full movement on this. So we clearly can see on the weekly time frame, our current trend is a downtrend. Like I said before, previously we were trending up. Now we are trending downward. So our trend is downtrend, right? So let's see this here. Previously, if you had to zoom it out, you will see something like this. Market was literally rejecting within this level, especially it is very much clear on your 4-hour time frame. If you have to go to your 4-hour time frame, there was a period markets literally was ranging within this level, whereby anytime markets comes to this resistance, it tends to drop to the support, then come to tap this resistance. And it started ranging. Eventually, it broke down. Reason it broke below it. Reason why it did that is because on our monthly time frame, which is the overall trend, it is on a downtrend move. Now, take a look at this movement here. Low, pull back, low, which you can see our lower low, and here is equal low, equal high, equal lower high, which came to retest this level, tested this level, and now we are seeing this lower low here, drop, pull back, another lower low, right, pull back, and what we'll be expecting is another lower low. So basically, with what we are seeing this week, we should be expecting the WTI crude oil to give us a bearish move. So it will look something like this. drop, pull back, drop, again, pull back. And our next movement is another drop that should take out this previous low, right? So probably we should see the results in 2 or 3 weeks time. I do not want to go further because it depends on how volatile the movement will be this week, because I know for a fact that this Friday there's going to be a major news, which is NFP. So we need to be very, very careful on that. So that should not take us. So the monthly time frame says we are bearish. Weekly time frame also says we are bearish, right? Now let's go down to the daily time frame and let's see what it says. So if you take a look at this here, drop, right? Then this is a pullback phase, right? Give us a new drop again. Consider this drop took out this previous lower low here, hereby confirming to us that it is trending down. It is on a downtrend. Then it has come here, pull back. What we'll be expecting is another drop. So we can see, we might take this as a double top on our daily time frame, meaning this should be a rejection. So with what I am seeing this week, market should continue and possibly break below this. So make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So that is on our daily time frame drop. So this week we will be expecting markets to actually drop further down this week. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So what can you see on this 4-hour time frame? I wanted you guys to see something, right? Apart from this movement, which we saw here as a downtrend move, as the impulse move on our daily time frame. If you have to go to your 4-hour time frame, current movement, current trend now is trending to downside. Before, previously it was trending up, it was going bullish. Yeah, we are having a series of higher low, but on the daily time frame it is a corrective phase, not a bullish move. It was just correcting. Now the impulse move to the downside is about to begin. This should now take us to the 4-hour time frame period, and this we should see something like this: lower low here, lower high, lower low, and here comes the lower high. And what we should be expecting next is a new lower low. You see one of the reasons. So from monthly time frame that says we will be dropping to weekly time frame that says we will be dropping, then daily time frame that says we will be dropping, and now the 4-hour time frame is now dropping, thereby confirming our trend. So we can now see this as a multiple rejection level, which you can see this as a 4-hour time frame double top, which means we should be expecting a drop. Now there's possibility that it's likely to come to test this level. There's every possibility, so I have that in mind. There's every possibility that it's likely to push up a bit, retest this level, and then drop. Yes, there's a possibility of that. So I want you guys to watch out for it. So if in case it happens, it drop. So above all, this week we should be expecting the same. So if there's going to be any changes in this, I'll give you guys an update on that, and the updates will be in the Telegram channel. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find a link in the comment section.